As we embark on this journey of reflection and celebration, it's imperative to delve into the profound insights and contribution of the visionary pioneer Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Born on 10th April 1755, Dr. Hahnemann's life and work continues to inspire and shape the landscape of modern medicine in profound ways. He was not just a physician, he was a revolutionary thinker, a relentless seeker of truth, and a compassionate healer. Dissatisfied with the harsh and often ineffective medical practices of his time, he embarked on a quest to redefine the very essence of healing and formulated the fundamental principles of homeopathy. His groundbreaking concept of like cures like challenged the prevailing medical dogmas of his era, offering a new paradigm of healing that resonated with the innate wisdom of nature. He recognized that true healing could not only occurs only when all aspects of an individual's being were harmonized and balanced. He understood that each person is unique, with their own distinct patterns of health and disease. Thus, he advocated for personalized treatment protocols tailored to the specific needs of each patient, a principle that remains at the heart of homeopathic practice to this day. Today, as we gather to celebrate World Homeopathic Day, let us take a moment to remember and honor our Guru, Dr. Praful Vijaykar sir, who imparted to us the teachings of homeopathy in a manner that was both enlightening and accessible. He possessed the rare gift of translating Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's intricate principle into practical wisdom, making the study of homeopathy a truly enriching experience for all of us. Though our Guru may no longer be with us, his teachings live on in each of us, guiding our hearts and hands as we continue the noble work of healing through homeopathy. Thank you, dear sir, for your enduring legacy. You will forever remain in our hearts as a beacon of inspiration and guide. The motive behind gathering today on World Homeopathic Day is to spread knowledge to young homeopaths. At Predictive, we recognize the importance of nurturing the next generation of practitioners, equipping them with the skills and expertise to provide high-quality care. Through today's insightful case presentation, we aim to inspire and empower young homeopaths to make a meaningful difference in the lives of their patients. Thank you, and may this World Homeopathy Day be a source of inspiration and renewal for all of us.